Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to present the topic Applications of Laser in Medical and Armed Forces. Let's begin with my introduction. My name is Jyoti Manor Budhaye, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. My USN number is 23CS2021. Subject is Applied Physics and the subject code is BPHY102 and the topic is Applications of Laser in Medical and Armed Forces. The highlights of my topic are Introduction of Laser, Application of Laser in the field of medicine, Application of Laser in the field of defense, and last one is Conclusion. Before going to our topic, we have to know about what is laser. The term laser only used for light amplification by stimulated emission by radiations. Lasers are commonly used in medical, defense and science and technology. Laser is a device that generates an intense beam of coherent monochromatic light by stimulated emission of photons from excited atoms or molecules. Lasers are used in drilling and cutting, alignment, guidance and in surgery. The optical properties are exploited in holography, reading barcodes and in recording and playing compact discs. Then the applications of laser in medical field are following. First one angioplasty, second one cancer diagnosis and treatment, third one plastic surgery, fourth one kidney stone treatment, fifth one cosmetic dermatology and last one is ophthalmology. The first application of laser in medical field is angioplasty. Laser angioplasty is a technique where laser light used to remove blockages in coronary arteries. The next application is cancer diagnosis and treatment. Laser is used to destroy cancer and abnormal cells that can turn into cancer. And these treatments have less pain, bleeding, swelling and scarring. With laser therapy, the time in surgery is usually shorter. The third application is plastic surgery. Short, concentrated pulsating beams of laser light is directed at irregular skin. This removes unwanted damaged skin in a precise manner. The next application is kidney and stone treatment. Laser are energy modality by which stone could be broken, prostate could be cut and tumors could be dealt with. It can introduce through flexible retinoscope and it is certainly painless. The next one is cosmetic dermatology. A laser of a specific wavelength of light is made to interact with the tissue which can positively affect pigments, blood vessels, hair follicles and moisture in the skin. They can be used to work on a precise area with less pain, scarring and swelling than traditional surgeries. The last application is ophthalmology. Laser is used in vision correction which involves reshaping the cornea. The main benefit of the surgery that people no longer have to wear corrective eyewear to see clearly. The advantages of laser in medical field are following. First one is high data conveying limit. Second, outcome of electroattractive obstruction. Third, less sign spillage. Fourth, used in making fiber optic links. 5. Used in clinical field. Sixth, used for dumping down adversary tank. And last one is laser used in CDs and DVDs. There are several advantages of lasers in medical field that are following. Costly for patients, it is costly and consequently more consumption to the patients requiring laser-based medicines. Costly for specialists also. Increases intricacy, less uses in dental method, higher forces during the cutting cycle and destructive. Main next subtopic is lasers used in defense. The first time that lasers accompanied US military forces into combat was in Vietnam War where they designated targets for laser guided bombs. Since then, such devices have been used to determine distance to a target, to signal and communicate and to go disrupt optical devices of hostile forces. Current applications for lasers in the defense industry. Although the development of laser enhanced aircraft like those of science fiction film are a possibility in a near future, there are many exciting ways that the defense sector is currently taking advantage of laser technology. Here are just a few laser applications that are presently being used by the military. First one, range refinder. Second one, designating bombs. Third one, battle simulation. And fourth one, communicating underwater. The first application is laser refinder. The laser beam is used to measure the distance to the first object on its path. Laser refinders are used extensively in three-dimensional object recognition, three-dimensional object modeling, and a wide variety of computer vision related fields. This technology constitutes the heart of the scanner, so it is called as time-of-flight 3D scanner. Next application is laser guided bomb. A laser guided bomb, in short LGB, is a guided bomb that uses semi-active laser guidance to strike a designated target with greater accuracy than an unguided bomb. First developed by the United States during the Vietnam War, laser-guided bombs quickly proved their value in precision strikes of difficult point targets. Third one is battle simulation. In laser battle simulations, soldiers fire special guns that shoot bursts of light. Sensors are attached to each soldier who fights in the battle. Such sensors are also attached to tanks, trucks, or any other vehicles used in the mock fighting. Our last application is communicating underwater. At the transmitter stage, green laser is employed as the carrier and the voice signal is employed as modulating signal. Voice signal amplified at voice frequency amplifier stage modulates laser light. Because the laser's light intensity is changed by the voice signal, the output is an amplitude modulation signal. The last one is conclusion. Lasers are very beneficial for medical applications. Lasers offer physicians the ability to better care for patients with advanced diagnostic methods and improved treatment techniques. Laser technology has progressed rapidly over the past decades and lasers have found a place in many surgical specialties. There are many useful applications and uses for laser in the current manufacturing market. Many new innovations are on their way. Laser technology has shown strong potentials to revolutionize modern-day battlefield scenarios through multifaceted supportive, defensive, and offensive or destructive applications. In a supportive role, the lasers serve as a very powerful device. In this way, today we have completed our topic Applications of Lasers in Medical Field and Armed Forces. I hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you in next